Alright. Do you like blueberries? I'm actually not the biggest fan of blueberries, but today we made blueberry mashed potatoes. I know you're probably wondering like, what the heck? But trust me, when I say this is good, you should try it yourself. In fact, if you haven't already subscribed to Eat with Dunks, this is where I make easy, simple, creative meals that you can make on your own, in your own home, for your family. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend. And if you keep on watching, I'll show you just how to make it. So we're going to start by peeling our potatoes. And as you can see here, I'm not worried too much about getting every piece of the potato skin off. You can peel your potato to your liking. Now I'm just going to wash and clean up our potato. You want to dice your potatoes, and it doesn't really matter what size they are since they're just going to be mashed anyways. Just not too small for it to dissolve into water. We're just going to boil our potatoes until soft. Oh, that's perfect. Now let's make our blueberry cream. I'm using a cup of blueberries here, and I'm also adding a cup of coconut milk. You can use heavy cream, half and half, or 2% milk if that's what you have. And we're just going to blend it all up in our food processor. Feel free to add more blueberries if necessary to get the color that you want. When it's done, it's going to have this jelly-like texture. And I'm just going to pour as needed on the boiled potatoes. Now let's mash it out. I got a potato masher here, but you can use whatever you got. I'm just going to add some cilantro here and mash that in as well until it looks something like this. I'm just going to do a little finger scoop taste test here. So good. You can serve it with some blueberries on top for a little added sweetness, and serve it with your favorite mashed potato meal. We're having our blueberry mashed potatoes with red wine sweet chili salmon and broccoli. Guys, this is so good. If you like this meal, go ahead and smash that like button. And share this video with a friend or a family so that they can make it for you, or maybe you can make it for them, or whatever. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss when I drop the next video. Thank you for watching, and until next week, where I'll be showing you how to make another simple and creative meal. Peace.